हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं प्लांट किंगडम का दूसरा लेक्चर जो कि है ब्रायोफाइट्स। दे आर कॉल्ड एम्फीबियन ऑफ द प्लांट किंगडम बिकॉज दे कैन लिव इन सॉइल but need water for sexual reproduction. Therefore, it is known as amphibian of the plant kingdom. They occur in damp, humid, and shaded localities. Body is more differentiated than that of algae. It is thallus-like and prostrate or erect, and attached to the substratum by unicellular or multicellular rhizoids. They lack true root, stem, or leaves. They may possess root-like, leaf-like, or stem-like structure. The main plant body is haploid. It produces gamete, hence it is called a gametophyte. तो यहाँ पे आप स्ट्रक्चर देख सकते हो फीमेल थैलस का और मेल थैलस का, जिसपे फीमेल थैलस पर राइजोइड्स हैं, जामेबड हैं और आर्किगोनियोफोर है। ऐसे ही मेल थैलस पे राइजोइड है, जेमिकप है और एंथ्रोजोइड है। द सेक्स ऑर्गन इन ब्रायोफाइट आर मल्टीसेलुलर. मेल सेक्स ऑर्गन एंथ्रीडियम प्रोड्यूस बाइफ्लैजिलेटेड एंथ्रोजोइड्स. Female sex organ archegonium is flask shaped and produce a single egg. Anthrozoids are released to water and meet archegonium. An anthrozoid fuse with the egg to form zygote. Zygote do not undergo meiosis immediately. They produce a multicellular body called a sporophyte. Sporophyte is not free living but attached to the photosynthesis gametophyte and derives nourishment from it. Some cell of sporophyte undergo meiosis to produce haploid spore. These spores germinate to form gametophyte. Importance of bryophytes. Some mosses provided food for herbaceous mammal और birds. Species of sphagnum जो कि एक moss है provide peat. It is used as fuel. It has water holding capacity so that used as packing material for transshipment of living material. Third है they are ecologically important because of their role in plant succession on bark, on soil, rocks. Mosses along with lichen decompose rocks, making the substrate suitable for the growth of higher plant. Since mosses form dense mat on the soil, they can prevent soil erosion. टाइप ऑफ ब्रायोफाइट्स. फर्स्ट इसमें आता है लीवरवॉर्ट्स, दूसरा आता है मॉसेस. लीवरवॉर्ट. They grow usually in moist, shady habitats such as bank of stream, marshy ground, damp soil, bark of trees, and deep in the wood. Their plant body is thalloid, for example, Markansia. Thallus is dorsiventral and closely affixed to the substrate. The leafy member have tiny leaf-like appendages in two rows on the stem-like structure. Reproduction. Asexual reproduction by fragmentation of thallus or by the formation of jame cup. Jame are green multicellular asexual bud that developed in small receptacles जो कि जामे कप बोलते हैं on the thalli. The jame are detached from the parent body and germinate to form new individual. Sexual reproduction. Male and female sex organ are produced on the same or different thalli. Sporophyte is differentiated into a food, seta, and capsule. After meiosis, spores are produced within the capsule. These spores germinate to form free-living gametophyte. अब बात करते हैं मॉसिस की. The predominant stage of the life cycle of a moss is gametophyte. It consists of two stages. First it is protonema stage, second stage leafy stage. Protonema stage. It develops directly from a spore. It is creeping, green, branched, and frequently filamentous stage. Leafy stage. It developed from the secondary protonema as a lateral bud. They consist of upright cylinders, axis bearing spirally arranged leaf. They are attached to soil through multicellular and branched rhizoid. This stage bear the sex organ. Reproduction. Vegetative reproduction by fragmentation and budding in the secondary protonema. The Antheridia and Archegonium are produced at the apex of leafy shoot. After fertilization, zygote developed to a sporophyte having a foot, seta, and capsule. The sporophyte in mosses is more elaborate than that in liverwort. The capsule contains spores are formed after meiosis. Mosses have an elaborate mechanism of spore dispersal. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मोसेस, फर्स्ट इसका एग्जाम्पल है फ्यूनेरिया, दूसरा स्फेगनम, थर्ड है पॉलीट्राइकम। अब बात करते हैं टेरिडोफाइट, जो कि हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग वीडियो। थैंक यू।